go. Hey, good morning everyone, and welcome to another episode. Today we're doing something a little different. I got in the mail from the people at PECKPERK Smart bird feeder they want me to test out. It's got a little camera in it so you can watch the birds feed from your phone and record video and take photos. So today we're going to install it on my fence, set it up, and see what videos we can capture. All right, let's do this. Pileated woodpecker. It's pileated woodpecker. Of course, I don't have my camera. Still got a ton of snow here. So yeah, I'm gonna mount it on this fence post here. So we have a mounting bracket, and I wanna face it that way. So, got a couple of 2-inch screws. Now it comes with a solar panel to keep the camera charged. And I'm gonna mount that on this side of the fence so it catches a lot of sun. All right, get the mounting bracket. And I think that's about right there. I can hear all kinds of birds. Female cardinal? I should have my camera. I'm gonna get my camera. Hold on. All right, we got the Z8, just in case. All right, where was I? And my screw's in the goddamn way. Screw's in the way, I can't tighten it. All right, cut. Tip number 1, use the screws provided. I kind of didn't read the instructions. All right, let's put this on. We got the solar panel, lots of chickadees. It's like the perfect position. And this will go up to the feeder. All right, so we got the feeder. Ta-da! It looks like it just locks right in there. I think it just locked. That's pretty solid. Got the antenna. And all right, so now we got to plug the charging port there. And we got the solar panel plugged in. And what else we got here? The perch. Whoa. And this little locking nut I saw here. Oh, it's right here. It even comes with a hummingbird station here, hummingbird feeder, but I won't put that on just yet. All right, what do we got left here? Comes with various mounting hardware. Here's the hummingbird feeder. Different you can mount it on a tripod or a pole. A strap, you can strap it to a tree. All right, now I think we're ready to go. All right, we forgot the most important thing, the bird seed. This top comes off. Comes with a bag of birdseed. Flaming Hot Feast. Squirrel proof. It's got some look like mealworms and peanuts and. All right. All right, we're up and running here. I get the app on. I can see myself on the app, and we will see what this thing captures. Only time will tell. So, see what kind of videos we capture with this. All right, stay tuned.
Will I get my groceries?
Are ya? My wife's going to get her groceries.
Huh?
Nothing. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna show you how the app works here. Let's see if I can get into my iPad. So I go over to PECKPERK, boop, and the app will pull up. I named my app Danny, so see we got live view, we got playback, we can do a live view, and just recently had a Carolina Wren on there. So you can just watch this from your house. And looks like somebody's on there now. This is live. What is that? Oh, that must be the Carolina Wren. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's see. I'm gonna go back to playback. And you can take a photo, do a screenshot if you want. All right. So you can go through all the different encounters throughout the day. We got the live view mode. Has bird ID. That's how we know that was the Carolina Wren. All right, I'm gonna go out and check on the feeder now. Let's go. All right, I'm just going to check on our PECKPERK. All right, so we got our feeder going. It's been going for about a week or so now. I get lots of video in. I got to check on the SD card to see how it's all been recorded. I'll show you the actual app on my iPad. You get to watch the birds from the comfort of your home. I was actually away this week, so I was watching it while I was away. I don't know if it's, they sent me this feeder and they're gonna send me a code, a discount code. So if anybody's interested in this, I'll put a link in the description and you can buy one and get 10% off. And then I get a little spiff out of it. But, all right, so I'm gonna take this and download the footage and I'll show you that. And yeah, this is a pretty good item. I've been wanting to get one anyways and they just happened to send me one. So thank you to them. And yeah, I'll put a link in the description and you can check it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and check out their website if you are interested. See you next week. Bye-bye.